Spencer, I have a question.
What?
What is the meaning of life?
The meaning of life is
Why are you coughing in your hand?
He messed up.
Why are you coughing in your hand?
what happened?
Why you coughing in your hand?
How many times do I need to tell you?
Stop coughing in your hand.
Sanitation! Punch! Yeah, just let me. Yeah.
Sanitation! No! Help me!
You found nothing. Sanitation knockout. You cough in your hand. Like this boy. Cough in your hand, you end up like him. Sanitation neck crack.
Never cough in your hand or I come.